think I saw something incredible down there. I have found NSU Kattencrad, and I believe I can restore it.
Okay, engage the winch, slow and steady. We need more height.
Watch the ramps, keep it centered.
Tension stable. Bring it forward now. Wow, look at that machine go! I've never seen one in person. It sounds incredible.